So we have 41 orders. My business got featured in the news, so that's very exciting. I'm so grateful. Hey y'all, it's your girl Chisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you guys into my life and I'm going to show you guys the day in the life of an entrepreneur. We had some amazing overflow in our business this past weekend, and I just want to show you guys the behind the scenes and the whole process, my meetings with my interns, packaging, shipping, things like that. So I just came back from Office Depot because I had to pick up thank you cards, and let's get started. Hello. So I was supposed to record my intern meeting. I was supposed to record just a whole bunch of stuff that I did today, but I'm gonna record that next week. I have to start preparing products, and that's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna take you guys through my process. I was going to ship out products today, but I didn't think it was going to be efficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all the products today and ship them out tomorrow. So yeah, let's get started. Today is a quite busy day. I have a whole bunch of packages to order. It is, what time is it right now? It is 12:04. I had a meeting this morning, had to do my workout. I just made breakfast / lunch. And this is what I am eating. It looks messy, but it's really good. And it's just avocado toast with eggs on top. That's my go-to. So today I'm going to start off packing orders. I have a phone call at 2:30 with somebody. So I'm gonna pack orders, send my interns their schedules because they're doing an intern takeover. And if you're not following us on Instagram, go ahead and do that. I'll put it right here. And what else do I have to do? I have to email somebody because they asked about our services and our products. So let's get started. So I've sent out the schedules to my interns, updated our email list because we got a whole bunch of new leads. So I've been checking, I went to our Instagram to check our feed, and our intern, my social media intern came through with this story. I said, ooh, she did a good job. I have to show you guys because my interns be going off. Look. Wow. Content quality. Let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack orders. So I'm trying to come up with a system that's gonna be most efficient and productive. I'm so happy to use this. Most efficient and productive. So what I decided to do was make products last night, and today I'm gonna ship out a whole bunch. I want to make sure people get it on time, and my goal is to ship out every single product that was ordered this week or in the next 2 days. So bear with me. Today is going to be a pretty busy day, and I want to take you guys along. Oh, I forgot to mention, my business got featured in the news, so that's very exciting. I'm so grateful. I couldn't even, gratitude, I can't express my gratitude. So yeah, I'm just so grateful to God. I just thank God so much. Yeah, I couldn't express my gratitude, so let's get started. What I'm doing right now is I'm just creating space on my floor to put products so I can lay the boxes out and then just fill them in.
Is also about self-care. Chisam Eke just graduated from UW as well and is the founder of Overlooked Beauty, a skincare line. Eke swears by the More Than Skin Deep Shea Face and Body Cream from Nigeria.
I cleared up the ground. You know what? I'm literally kind of nervous because this is a whole bunch of new customers. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I just had to say that. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna pre-make some boxes. I'm going to go ahead and fill them in with liners, cards, whatnot, and then I'm going to go ahead and put wraps around our, or labels around. What I've decided to do is I'm going to print the labels first, like get how many boxes that I need. I'm just trying to find the most efficient way to send out a whole bunch of products on time, because I hate sending out products late and I don't like sending products out that look trashy. So I packed 9 orders so far, so I'm gonna pack another 8 and then call it a day, and I'll start again tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and make 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes and pack these orders. Okay, so now that I'm done putting the labels on and setting up the boxes, I'm going to go ahead and just fill these in with cards and products and close them out. Oh, I gotta do a quick shout out to my intern for making these thank you cards. They are phenomenal. Shout out to her. Done. Okay, so I'm done parking the orders today. I packed about 15 or so. I'm gonna go ahead and print out labels. I'm so glad this is only like 2 products, because I'm glad this is only 2 products because that would have been a lot to pack. So I packed I put my packages in a garbage bag because I did not know how I was gonna take that into the car in one trip. So let me go. Let's see what time it is. It is 4:17. I need to hurry my butt to the post office. I need to hurry up and go to the post office because it's about to close. I'm here standing like I have all the time in the world. So let go. Okay, so I made it to the post office. The line kind of looks long when I was driving in, but it closes in 20 minutes, so I'm not too worried. Let me go. I keep talking like I got time. Hey y'all, thank you for watching this vlog. I'm sorry I had to end abruptly. This is my first time vlogging and I forgot a couple of things, but if you made it to the end of this, you are a real one. Please subscribe, like, and comment below on videos you'd like to see from me. Okay, I'll catch you on the next. Bye.